Real estate wholesaling is now becoming a trend, but are you finally ready to take the dive? In this video, I'm sharing a step-by-step guide on how to get started in wholesale real estate even if you're broke. Yeah, you heard it right. Wholesaling real estate doesn't require a bunch of cash to get up and running. But before I go any further, what is real estate wholesaling? Well, wholesale real estate is a short-term investing strategy used for real estate buyers and sellers. Essentially, it goes like this. A person signs a contract for a property with its owner, then finds a buyer to assign that same contract only at a higher price. You basically act as the middleman of the deal, then collect the profits once the deal is complete. Wholesalers start by looking for discounted properties to put under contract. This usually involves motivated sellers, distressed properties, or fixer-upper houses. You see, what's nice about it is that it doesn't involve owning or renovating the property, leading you to minimize risks and maximize profits in a shorter time frame. So, without further ado, here are 7 steps on how to wholesale real estate. Step 1. Marketing. The initial challenge lies in kickstarting your venture, but if you employ the right strategies and target the appropriate cash buyers, you'll be well on your way to closing big deals. As a real estate wholesaler, your primary objective is to devise a comprehensive marketing plan to uncover valuable opportunities. This plan should encompass various channels, including social media marketing, to reach a wider audience. Leverage the power of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. This way, you can connect with potential buyers and showcase the value you bring to the table. However, marketing isn't just limited to online efforts. Networking plays a primary role in the success of your real estate wholesaling business. I'll expand more on this later, but here's a tip. Constantly engage and build relationships with the right individuals who can contribute to the growth of your enterprise. These connections can include real estate investors, property owners, and other professionals within the industry. The more you expand your network, the more opportunities will come your way. Keep watching because we're just getting started.
Before we dive in, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Do you want the chance to win a brand new iPhone 14 Pro, MacBook Pro, or a $500 Amazon gift card? Find the hidden message that's in the video, comment it down below, and subscribe to the channel. We will choose one random subscriber in each video for a chance to win one of these amazing prizes. Don't forget to hit the like button, and good luck.
Step 2. Research and due diligence. Unlike other roles in the industry, you must take charge of your own due diligence as there's no one else to rely on. In order to succeed, you need to have a comprehensive understanding of the properties you're dealing with, including their after-repair value or ARV. Determining the property's ARV is crucial, and there are a few methods you can employ. One option is to utilize online resources and apply some basic math to estimate repair and construction costs, as well as other expenses. Another approach is to consult a local real estate agent or broker who can provide you with the comparable sales, also called comps, to confirm the value. They may even be able to generate a comparable market analysis for you. Not only that, but you can even enlist the services of an appraiser to get an accurate assessment. Be that as it may, you also need to mind your due diligence when it comes to educating yourself about the overall process of real estate wholesaling. Start by watching detailed videos like this one, but don't hesitate to explore other resources as well. Attending real estate events in your area is an excellent way to network with other investors and learn from experienced wholesalers. Step 3. Prepare your buyer's list. A buyer's list consists of potential investors, entrepreneurs, and home buyers who may be interested in your deals. While building a strong list may test your networking skills, the effort will pay off in the long run. There are several avenues you can explore to find buyers. Direct mail and bandit signs can attract interested parties, but one of the most effective ways to build your list is through personal connections. Expand your network by connecting with other real estate professionals and investors. Take note of anyone who shows potential as a lead and collect their contact information. Trust me, networking with other investors and real estate professionals is the best approach to building a dependable buyer's list. Engaging with these individuals can help you identify potential buyers who are specifically interested in purchasing wholesale properties. Bear in mind that your buyer's list is a valuable asset that ensures you always have a destination for your deals. It provides a pool of potential buyers who are eager to jump on the opportunities you present. Cultivating and maintaining a strong list will give you a competitive advantage in the real estate wholesaling business. Step 4. Aim to target motivated sellers. Motivated sellers are homeowners who are eager to sell their property, presenting you with excellent opportunities. But how do you find them? Start by targeting lists of delinquent taxpayers, homeowners in pre-foreclosure, and absentee owners. These individuals are more likely to be motivated to sell due to financial or personal circumstances. Once you've identified your target lists, it's time to design your marketing campaign. Joining wholesaling and real estate investment groups can help a lot. Look for these groups on platforms like Facebook or tap into your existing network to get leads. You can also explore real estate investing websites that provide valuable leads for motivated sellers. While digital leads are essential, don't underestimate the power of direct mail. Direct mail has consistently proven to be one of the most successful marketing strategies for reaching motivated sellers. However, it's paramount to maintain consistency in your mailers. Success often comes after multiple mailings, with some investors not seeing results until the 4th or 5th attempt. Step 5. Get things legal. Make sure you've agreed on the correct price and terms with the motivated seller. Negotiate carefully, emphasizing how you will simplify the selling process for them. Highlight the aspects of the deal that you'll take care of, relieving them of the burdens of property ownership. During the negotiations, ensure that both parties are on the same page. Clearly communicate and clarify any doubts or concerns to avoid misunderstandings. Once you've reached an agreement, it's time to put everything in writing. You need to create a comprehensive contract that includes all the agreed upon terms and conditions. This document will serve as the legal framework for the transaction. Educating yourself on the legal process of a real estate transaction is also essential at this stage. Familiarize yourself with the laws and regulations in your area to ensure compliance. Some investors may even choose to work with a legal professional to review and finalize the contract, ensuring that nothing is overlooked. Step 6. Find your buyer. As you find your buyer, you first need to gather all the necessary information about the property. Put together a list of comparable properties and estimate the potential cost of repairs. This will help you determine the market value of the property and attract potential buyers. Next, get a title report done to ensure that there are no legal issues or complications with the property. This step will provide you peace of mind to your potential buyers. Once you have all the information ready, reach out to potential buyers from your list. Utilize various marketing channels such as online platforms, social media, and local real estate networks to advertise your property. The more potential buyers you have in your network, the better chances of finding the right buyer quickly. Keep in mind that different properties will attract different types of buyers. Consider the condition of the property and its potential for restoration or rental purposes. Familiarize yourself with different real estate exit strategies to identify the most suitable type of buyer for your deal. As you market the property, leverage your network and reach out to potential buyers. Highlight the unique features and potential profitability of the deal. Present the property in a compelling way that appeals to your target buyers' needs and goals. Step 7. Assign the contract to the buyer. Assigning the contract is a straightforward process. What you need to do first is create an assignment of contract agreement. This agreement will outline the terms of the assignment, including the assignment fee and deposit amount. See to it that all parties involved are in agreement and that the financial aspects are clearly stated in the agreement. Make sure that the assignment fee you negotiate is fair and reflective of the value that you've brought to the deal. This fee is your reward for finding and securing the property under contract. Include all the necessary information in your final agreement. Specify that you're assigning the contract for a specific amount of money, ensuring that everyone understands the financial arrangement. Now, hear me out. Transparency and clarity are key throughout this process. Clearly state the terms and expectations in the contract, and I assure you you'll protect yourself and ensure that you're paid accordingly for your efforts. But hey, it's always a good idea to consult with a legal professional or real estate attorney to be sure that your assignment agreement complies with local laws and regulations. Because, believe me, they can provide guidance and help you navigate any legal complexities that may arise. But once the assignment agreement is in place, all parties can move forward with confidence, knowing that the deal is solidified and the assignment fee is agreed upon. Real estate wholesaling presents a tremendous opportunity for beginner investors to enter the real estate market and achieve financial success. But you need to recognize that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Wholesaling requires hard work, dedication, and a strategic approach to marketing. Don't rush into wholesaling without proper preparation. Invest your time into learning, researching, and developing a solid plan. So, what's your take on real estate wholesaling? Leave a comment and give your feedback down below. As always, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that we can make more videos for you. Thank you so much and see you next time.